One day, one of his migraine patients, they all were coming back and saying, yes, my migraines are gone. One day, one of his migraine patients came to him and said, Doctor, you won't believe this. And Dr. Gerson said, your migraines went away. He said, yes, but look at this. And he showed him scars on his chest that were healing up. He said, what does this look like? And Gerson said, well, it looks like you've been recently burned, but your scars are healing up nicely. What's the problem?
Nekega dne prišel k njemu eden od njegovih pacijentov in je rekel, doktor Gerson, tega ne boste verjeli, kaj se dogaja. In doktor Gerson je rekel, ja, jaz vem, migren nimate več. Je rekel, ja, to že, ampak in potem je nekako pokazal, da je bil na prsih neke praskotine oziroma opekline, ki so se začele celiti.
And the patient said, no, doctor, for 25 years I've had skin tuberculosis, and on your migraine diet, this is what happened. It's gone away.
Potem je pacijent povedal, ne, niso to opekline, ampak že 25 let imam kožno tuberkulozo in ko sem začel se držati diete, ki ste mi jo predpisali, so se začeli te znaki te kožne tuberkuloze umikati.
And Dr. Gerson said, no, that's impossible. Skin tuberculosis has been known for thousands of years, and it's never been cured. It's incurable. You can't do that. Some country bumpkin doctor who doesn't know what he's talking about has misinformed you that you had skin tuberculosis.
Torej, dr. Gerson ni mogel temu verjeti in je povedal pacijentu, da to ne more biti, zaradi tega, ker je že tisoče let znano, da ta kožna tuberkuloza, da se ne zda pozdraviti in da on smatra, da tisti zdravnik, ki je temu pacijentu povedal, da ima on kožno tuberkulozo, da se je tisti zdravnik pravzaprav v diagnozi zmotil.
In medical terms, skin tuberculosis is known as lupus vulgaris, the common wolf, because it looks like it's eating pieces of your skin.
Medicinski izraz za tuberkulozo kože je lupus vulgaris, navadni volk, zaradi tega, ker ta bolezen povzroča, kot da bi nekdo dele vaše kože odgriznil stran.
The patient said, I knew you'd say that. I knew you would say that it was misdiagnosed. I have brought along with me all my records from 25 years of every sanatorium and every specialist in Europe showing that I had skin tuberculosis.
Torej, pacijent se ni vdal in je rekel, jaz sem pa vedel, da boste povedali, da je to napačna diagnoza, zaradi tega sem prinesel sabo izvide zadnjih 25 let, kjer se vidi, da sem obiskal mnogo zdravnikov po Evropi in da so vsi diagnosticirali, da imam to tuberkulozo